I think the Women of the Square Mile is so important because it really gives us a platform and the ability to talk to people about the importance of intersectionality, to talk to people about the importance of why all different forms of diversity are so important. Until everyone has a holistic view on all of the different types of diversity and are then considering each other's nuances, challenges and minority groups, that's the only way we're going to address the problem. So I think trying to promote intersectionality, trying to promote collaboration between the different networks, whether it's a gender network, LGBT, ethnicity, mental health, whatever, we need to get those threads talking to each other and having a holistic view to address diversity and inclusion.
I think Women of the Square Mile is a tremendously important event. Women in my part of the market, FinTech, are underrepresented in FinTech organisations, both at the executive level and in workforces more broadly. But for a market that's growing rapidly and developing and where businesses are quickly evolving their business models and bringing new products to market, it's really important to have the most diverse and most creative teams possible to deliver and win successfully in that environment. And that can really only be achieved by embracing the full range of diversity, including really building teams that have gender diversity embedded in them from day one. So I think it's an incredibly important initiative for firms to take on board and to really embrace.
So I think Women of the Square Mile is so important. It's fantastic to see this huge room filled with all these women who either directly work in finance, want to progress a career in finance, are just interested in the subject. We are not alone. There are lots of interesting women here at all stages of their career. And I think it's tremendous to bring them together to debate, discuss, to listen to hopefully women that would encourage and inspire. And hopefully in due course we won't need events like this. But for now, we certainly do.
Conferences like Women of the Square Mile are very important. I think that what's so great about these types of conferences is that women are coming together and we're connecting with one another. We're learning how we can leverage one another in order to be allies within the workplace, not only within our own companies, but within the industry. And that makes us so much more powerful. I think that conferences like this allow for women to understand what is their power and how to use their power. I sort of compare it to career yoga in a way where you're getting outside of your sort of day-to-day, you're stretching yourself, you're stretching your network, you're really centering yourself and really understanding what you need to do in order to go back in the workplace, apply it, and really strengthen yourself. So I think that conferences such as Women of the Square Mile allow us to really stretch ourselves and to build our networks and to find that inspiration to go back there and just be more powerful in the workplace.